Hi, in this video, I will show you how you can use our Mega Menu. It's super easy to use. Just follow this step-by-step guide. Go to the Mega menu, then click on the Add New. Give the name of your Mega Menu. Publish it. Now we need to assign it to the header menu. Go to the menu settings from the appearance. Choose your menu. In this case, my menu is the main menu. Now click on your menu item to enable the Mega Menu using this switcher control. Now you can see the Mega Menu content select control. Click on this select box and select the Mega Menu which we created named My Mega Menu. Save the menu. Now if we want to check the Mega Menu on the front end, nothing will be shown because we not added any Mega Menu item on our Mega Menu. Now we need to add the Mega Menu from here. This is the Mega Menu content area. First, we need to create a row to add content. Now select the column. You can select up to 6 columns. Now we will create 3 columns layout. So, I selected the 3 columns. Click on the Add Column Content button to add the content in the column. There are 2 types of content available: image thumbnails and list items. At first, we add the list item in the first column. So I select the list items. You can provide a heading for the group of lists from this heading field. In that case, I'm providing my first list as the heading of my list. Now time to add the list items. Click on the Add List Item button to add a list item. Select an icon or leave it none if you are not interested to use the icon. Enter the name and the URL or link of the list item. Add multiple list items by clicking Add List Item button or clicking on the plus icon to add more list items. Let's see how the menu looks at this time. Click on the Update button to save the menu contents. Now you can see our Mega Menu item looks like this. Let's add the rest of the column contents. We can easily clone our existing column by clicking this plus item, or you can add new column content by clicking on the Add Column Content button. We clone our existing content for column 2. Edit the content for this column. In the third column, we will add an image. To add an image, choose the Image thumbnail from Add Column Content button. Now you can see the image choosing option, Upload or choose the image. You can provide a heading of the column using the heading field. At this moment, I'm ignoring it. You can also link the image by adding a link here. That's it. We added the content for all columns. Now click on the Update button to save all edited data. Refresh the page to see the Mega Menu latest look. You can see our Mega Menu is ready. I hope you can understand now how to add a Mega Menu to your website by following this step-by-step video. Thank you for watching the video.